This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.